Hi everybody, welcome to another week here at the den. It's me. I've got an apron. There's food in front of me. Oh, sure you didn't. Hi everybody, welcome to another week here on the den. So, I'm going to be cooking again. Why am I cooking? It's because me and Steve are on our diet. Hey Steve, how's that diet going?
Well, I miss carbs.
So we are doing keto. God, I miss cake. I really miss cake. I miss fried chicken.
Do you miss the 20 pounds you lost?
I don't miss the 20 pounds I recently lost. Like, hello. Like, I'm feeling pretty great. I'm feeling alert. I'm sleeping better, and I don't feel as stressed. So it's really been helpful to do this diet, and I'm really enjoying it so far. However, I'm really finding ideas to run out of, so I'm trying my best to keep things interesting. So I'm a big comfort food person, and one of the big things about comfort food is it is very starch heavy, it is very carb heavy, and it's hard to kind of replace that when you things you can't do are sugars, carbs, and starches. So I have been searching the internet for all kinds of recipes for something that tastes good, that's something that's more in my style. And I'm going to show you one of the ones that's been a hit so far with me and the boys, and that is the chicken Pajita bake. So I clearly got ingredients here in front of me, and I'm going to show you a closer look at them. So look at this beautiful spread here that I've got of food that we're going to be putting everything together with. And I'm just going to go over an ingredients list here. So I'm going to use about, it says to use 6 chicken breasts, but I just use 4 on here. I do cut fairly big. Honestly, we have a lot of ingredients on the table, so I don't really see the need of going more than 4 chicken breasts. We got 4 peppers, 1 of each color. This is just to make things looking beautiful here, and that's more so aesthetic. Also, I really like the sweet taste of yellow and orange peppers. 1 small onion, about a cup of cream cheese, cream cheese sour cream, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, and the lime and avocado are going to be more kind of things at the end for decoration. Well, more of the lime will be squirting some lime juice on the end. Avocado, I'll be spreading some avocado over the spread when it's done. Then I have a taco seasoning here. Now, just to go over what is in the seasoning itself is 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of granulated onion, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, and that is also 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and I put a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes in there as well for just a little extra heat. And Steve is over here. He's playing Skyrim.
I am.
Yes. So how much have you lost so far on the diet?
About 15 pounds.
15? Oh, I'd say a bit more than that, but you're looking great. This angle, not so much, but hello.
Oh my god! Work my ankles there.
Then there's Betty. She's clearly not on a diet. She's just mowing on cat food.
Give me the MySpace angles.
Give you the MySpace angle? Oh, that means I gotta come around here and do the above. You gotta swoop the thing. Yeah. Then we're probably gonna sneak in on the bedroom with Greg in his underwear.
Careful, he's got no clothes on.
Haha, we were right. Hi, Greg.
Hi. Me and my new Men of the Dead t-shirt.
I know. Look. Oh, did you plan this?
No, but I put it on expecting to be in the video at some point. So now it just happens to be now.
I just came to sneak into you. So everybody you in your new underwear.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Hot pink and Men of the Den. Where can you buy this?
You can buy this through the link down below in the video.
Yes.
And thank you, Phil, for making this design. And he's got some other awesome designs that you should check out on his page as well.
All right. So we're going back to the kitchen. And we're gonna put all this together. First, just to keep things simple, we're just going to do the mix here quickly. The taco seasoning made, so I'll just put it all together. And just kind of shake it all together all at once. Steve's already excited just by the sound of mixed spices. So next, with the oil of your choice, we're just going to get the pan heated up. So we're always going to start with the chicken. Get that cooked and out of the way here first. I'm using canola oil this time, but I would recommend an olive oil or anything of that sort. The reason why we're not using olive oil in this one is we do have a neighbor who's allergic to olive oil when it's fried, so we tend to stay away from that. So essentially the first step is just going to be cooking the chicken until the chicken is done, and then we're going to cast it aside and we're going to start everything else. Alright, so once the chicken's done cooking, we're just going to cast it aside for then, and we're going to put the veggies in. So again, you can use any combination of color, of course. I just like to make things pretty when I cook. So, about 4 bell peppers. And the onions, and we're just going to cook these until they're nice and tender. Alright, so now the vegetables are just about to get tender right now. Now while you're doing all this, you want to make sure the oven's preheated to 350 degrees. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add the chicken back in. Sour cream. The cream cheese. And then the taco seasoning will be the final touch to this step. And I want to just mix it all together. Now it should all be nice and mixed together in a nice thick paste here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to transfer it over to a non-stick pan, and we're going to put it in the oven for a bit. Look at that. Actually, you can't from right there, so I'm just going to change the angle. There we go. So there we go. That's the kind of consistency you want to have in there. Nice and thick, fairly juicy. Got an onion in there. Now what we're going to do is put the cheese on top. I didn't really realize when I was about to say do a diet, cheese was going to be such a big part of this. It's like all you pretty much can have for a snack. It goes on everything, and cream cheese pretty much acts as your thickener in most recipes. So if you like eating lots of bacon, meat in general, cream cheese,
And losing weight.
and losing weight, then this is the diet for you. But it takes a lot of willpower because it does. After a while, you kind of get a little bored with it. So now we're just gonna put this in the oven for 20 minutes, and then it'll be eating time. So here is the cheesy goodness of the finished product. So what we're going to be doing to this now is I'm just going to be squeezing a little bit of lime juice over it, trying to give it a little bit of a little nice added flavor to it. As well as I'm going to be placing avocados randomly throughout over the dish, just like in avocado slices. I'm just going to use one for now. If we need more, of course, we can always cut some more of this. Now, I wish I saved some sour cream, but that's one other thing you can put on. Another thing we're going to add on as well is going to be salsa. But we can do that on our individual plates so it's all mixed together. So here we go. This is the finished product. Boys, let's dig in.
Woo.
You're on camera.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. What's up?
Not too much. How is it?
I haven't had a bite yet.
Whoa,
You put
man.
the camera on me too quick.
Okay, well, tell me now. Perfect.
Vera Pajita.
So, I said no sour cream. Steve's informed us that plain Greek yogurt is in fact sour cream.
When it's 10%, it is.
Okay. And this happens to be 10%.
Otherwise, it's just sour milk. Who wants that?
Ugh.
So, what did we do for Halloween?
10 more days till Halloween.
Halloween.
Oh, what did we do, Greg? Hold on, I'm trying to concentrate on scooping my sour cream and filming all at once.
Mm-hmm.
What did we do?
So, we couldn't do much because we're in modified stage 2 here in Toronto currently, which means no eat-in dining, no going to bars outside, and it's too damn cold.
Have you ever seen
Damn.
Footloose?
Uh-huh.
It's like Footloose. They banned dancing.
That's pretty much it. Pretty much banned from doing anything.
It sucks.
So,
How was it, Bear?
It's so rich and creamy.
Nice.
so anyway, we spent the night in watching horror movies. And what else did we do?
Well, there was more than one horror movie.
Mm-hmm. Yes, we watched Silver Bullet,
Mm-hmm.
The
Scream.
and The Descent. That's
No,
right.
The
We didn't
Descent.
end up
Oh.
watching The Descent.
Cabin in the Woods,
Right, right.
which was a movie Greg had thought he had seen, and then he started watching it. He was like, "What the hell is this?"
I was getting confused with
The Hills Have Eyes.
The Hills That Lies, yeah. So yeah, it was really good.
Yeah. I went about in the village and wasn't really much happening when I was out at like 8 o'clock. And it was like, there was one guy dressed as Dracula on top of the stairs. And he, being the old bitchy gay yelling at people, it was really fun.
Did you get footage of the pumpkins?
I did get, there's pumpkins, so I'm going to post the pictures down below here. There's a little pumpkin parade here in our building, so a whole bunch of people submitted jack-o'-lanterns. They were pretty neat. A lot of Among Us costumes when I was outside. A lot of plague doctors.
I'm sure there's a lot of plague doctors. Speaking of plague doctors, tomorrow is election day in the U.S. Please vote. Thank you.
Anything else you guys want to say?
No, I think that's good for this week. So,
All right.
as always, like, share, subscribe.
Off your shirt one more time.
One more time.
Oh, and make sure you order these lovely Men in the Den t-shirts made by our own Phillip Doctor. Now, as always, like, share, subscribe. Tune into the other guys' videos this week. And if you're interested in becoming a Dem member, keep your eyes peeled because we're going to be looking for some new members here very soon. So have yourselves a wonderful week.
Bye.